A very good morning, class. So today I am here with a new topic, omission of the definite article. Which is definite article? The. There are some conditions where we cannot use the. What are those conditions? Conditions that I am going to teach you in this chapter. See condition number 1. Before proper nouns, abstract nouns and material nouns, you cannot use the. Example, Soumya is an expert in judo. Soumya is proper noun here, so you cannot write the Soumya. It will be Soumya only. Second, gold is a precious metal. Here, gold is what? Gold is material noun. You cannot use the gold. It will remain gold only. Okay? Sentence number 2. Before days of the week and dates. You cannot use the before any day, name of the days or week. Example number 1, she was married on Tuesday. Now I cannot say that on that Tuesday. That is wrong. He will come on 7th June 2020. Again, we cannot say on that Tuesday. It will be wrong. So, we cannot use the here. Sentence 3, before names of seasons, languages, subjects and games. For example, English is my favorite subject. Now here, English, we cannot say the English. That is wrong. He plays basketball. Now we cannot say the basketball. That is also wrong. So before names of seasons, languages, subject and games, you will not use the. That is wrong. Sentence 4, before names of countries, states, regions and cities. Example, India is a multilingual country. Now you cannot say the India. That is wrong. I live in Uttar Pradesh. Again, you cannot say I live in the Uttar Pradesh. That is also wrong. So, you cannot use the before the name of countries, states, regions and cities. Now rule number 5. Before uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns everybody knows which cannot count. So before that you cannot use the. Example, this ring is made of gold. Gold you cannot count. It's uncountable. So you cannot use the before it. Flour is produced from wheat. Here again you cannot use the before flour and wheat. That is wrong. Now sentence number 6. Before names of meals. Whatever meals you have, before that you cannot use the. Example, what do you want to have for dinner? Now you cannot say the dinner. That is wrong. We had oats for breakfast. Now again you cannot say we had oats for the breakfast. That is also wrong. So we cannot use the before name of meals. Remember it. You have to learn it. Sentence number 7. Before titles indicating professionals. Suppose I said meet Miss Dr. Joshi. Now I cannot say meet the Dr. Joshi. That is wrong. Okay. They met Professor Sankar. Now I cannot say they met the Professor Sankar. That is also wrong. So before any title, any designation indicating professionals, we cannot use the. That is wrong. Now sentence rule number 8. Before names of planets. Any planet you cannot use the before it. Example is given, the spaceship landed on Mars. You cannot say the Mars. That is wrong. Have you seen the rings around Saturn? Again you cannot say the Saturn. That is wrong. So keep this thing in your mind that before names of planets, any planet, you cannot use the. That is wrong. Rule number 9. Before plural nouns representing the entire class or species. If there is any plural noun which is representing whole class or whole species, then also we cannot use the. Example, houses have become very expensive. Now I cannot say the houses. It will be houses. Dolphins are very intelligent. Again I cannot say the dolphins. That's it for it today. That's it for today. So again, any problem you can talk to me. Thank you so much.